Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Music. Welcome to the second part of our video lesson on musical notes and rests. This time, we're going to test what you have learned. Are you ready? Read each question carefully. Choose the correct answer. You may also write your answer in your notebook. What is the musical symbol for sound? A. Staff. B. Note. C. Rest. D. Time value. The answer is B. Note. What do you call the number of beats each note and rest represents? A. Staff. B. Note. C. Rest. D. Time value. The correct answer is time value D. What is the musical symbol for silence? A. Staff. B. Note. C. Rest. D. Time value. And the answer is rest C. It signals when to pause and not to play. A. Staff. B. Note. C. Rest. D. Time value. And the answer is rest C. It is used to indicate the duration and pitch of a tone by its shape and position on the staff. A. Bar. B. Note. C. Rest. D. Time value. The answer is Note B. Which symbol produces sound? And the answer is D. Half note. Which symbol denotes silence or pause? The answer is D. 8 rests. What kind of notes has the value of 2 beats? The answer is C. Half note. Which rest has the value of 2 beats? The answer is A. Half rest. Which note receives 1 beat? A. Half note. B. Quarter note. C. Whole note. D. 8 note. The correct answer is quarter note B. How many bits does a whole note receive? A1, B2, C3, D4. And the answer is 4, letter D. A half rest receives how many bits? A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. The correct answer is 2, B. Which symbol represents silence for one beat? And the answer is C, quarter rests. What kind of note is this? A, half note, B, quarter note, C, whole note, D, eighth note. The answer is eighth note D. What note has the longest duration? A, half note, B, quarter note, C, whole note, D, eighth note. And the answer is whole note C. Which rest hangs below the line on the staff? A, half rest, B, quarter rest, C, whole rest, D, eighth rest. And the answer is whole rest C. Which rest looks like a standing letter M? A, half rest, B, quarter rest, C, whole rest, D, eighth rest. It's letter B, quarter rest. What is the total time value of two quarter notes? A, 1 bit, B, 2 bits, C, 3 bits, D, 4 bits. The answer is 2 bits, letter B. What note looks like an open oval with a stem? A, half note, B, quarter note, C, whole note, D, eighth note. And the answer is half note, letter A. A 16 note receives how many bits? A 1, B 2, C 1 half, D 1/4. It's letter D 1/4. Which rest lasts for 4 beats? A. Half rest, B. Quarter rest, C. Whole rest, D. 8 rest. And the answer is whole rest, C. What symbol represents a quarter note? And the answer is B. What is the time value of eighth note? A1, B2, C 1/2, D 1/4. The answer is 1/2 C. Which rest looks like to number 7? A. 8 rest, B. Quarter rest, C. Whole rest, D. 16th rest. And the answer is 16th rest, D. Which note gets 2 beats? A. Half note, B. Quarter note, C. Whole note, D. 8th note. It's letter A. Half note. A whole note looks like A. Open oval with stem, B. Filled in oval with stem, C. Open oval without stem, D. Zigzag symbol. And the answer is open oval without stem, letter C. Which note looks like a filled-in oval with a stem? A. Half note, B. Quarter note, C. Whole note, D. 8th note. And the answer is quarter note, B. What rest is shaped like a hat sitting on a line? A. Half rest, B. Quarter rest, C. Whole rest, D. 8th rest. It's letter A. Half rest. Add the value of the given notes or rests. You may also write your answer in your notebook. This is for numbers 1 to 4. Let's check your answers. 1, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Number 2, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Number 3, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Number 4, 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 2. And this is for numbers 5 to 8. Let's check your answers. Number 5. 1/2 plus 1/2 is equal to 1. Number 6. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Number 7. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. And number 8. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.